What's up, guys? So today let's talk about some hearing protection. I've got a 3M over the ear protection. Works really great. I think these are rated for 30 dB for hearing protection. These work really well. My problem with them is when I wear safety glasses, which is most of the time in the shop, I get a headache. Sometimes this presses against the glasses. Like if I'm wearing, a lot of times in the shop, I'm in here for 8 hours a day. I might have to take them off for a bit because I'll get a headache. So for a long time, I've debated about getting headphones that can give me some music or some podcasts while I work. And my big thing is I don't want to be distracted while I'm around power equipment. I want to be safe. Earlier this year, I bought a track saw and they were doing a giveaway with the Festool earbuds. I'm not a fan. I was really excited. That's one of the reasons I bought it. I was like, man, I get some free earbuds. Honestly, one of them doesn't charge correctly. They do keep the sound out of your ears and they're noise canceling, but they don't stay in my ears. I've tried all the different little fits. I just have some weird ears. So not a fan of that. What I am a fan of, ProHear sent me a pair of their Bluetooth over-the-head system. Absolutely loving it. Super comfortable. It's got a ton of padding up here. I don't get the headaches that I got. It's got 30 decibel or dB. I think the 3M is 27 or 30, so about the same. So it's fantastic. You can still hear the tool noise. So if like you have a tool that messes up, like if something comes loose on your planer, which I've had happen, you can still hear the tool noise, but it's a really comfortable level of protection. Also, I can jam to my music all day. I really felt like I was going to be distracted. I'm not listening to podcasts, I'm listening to music. So it really helps me stay upbeat in the shop and have a good time. I was really skeptical when I got these. It said something like 120 hours runtime or playtime. I haven't really tested that, but when I charge it one time, I've gone at least 3 days in the shop wearing it. And I'm in the shop typically 8 to 10 hours a day. If I'm doing lives, not so much. So I can be in the shop 8 to 10 hours a day. Fantastic. It connects very quickly. I haven't used a lot of the controls on it, like to take a phone call, but it's got that capability. I really just use it to play music. Super comfortable. Doesn't give me headaches. The runtime is amazing. And I'm really happy to have these. These have been great. Been able to jam to music I haven't listened to in a few years. It's a whole new thing. I still don't listen to podcasts in the shop. I feel like that would lull me to complacency. So let's see what I look like when I'm not wearing the ProHear hearing protection. All jokes aside, guys, The ProHear hearing protection over ear, fantastic. I would highly recommend it to anyone that's wanting to add Bluetooth capability for songs, podcasts, taking telephone calls. Highly recommend it. The runtime's amazing and so comfortable. I can wear it for 8 or 10 hours a day, no problem. Festool, not so much as far as me. I didn't care for it. And the 3M have been great, but they do give me a headache if I'm wearing them for long periods of time. So if you've ever tried these, let me know what you think. I've got a link to these in my description. I don't think I've got a discount code for you, so we'll try that next time. If they send me another pair, I'll see if I can get a discount code for you guys on the next one. Man, highly recommend. I think on Amazon they're less than 35 bucks. So check it out. Highly recommend. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.